Just a quick video. I just picked up this Honda 300L, Honda CRF300L. It has the Yoshimura exhaust, sounds pretty good. It's got 1,000 miles on it. It's a 22. The guy that I bought it off of, it's in great shape. It's pretty clean, but he had pro taper, handlebars, did a few upgrades. That's why I wanted it. I bought it for $5,000. I know they show 5,400 like brand new, but after freight and everything, you're like $6,000. So it's in good shape, pretty well taken care of. Only thing was he did drop it before. I mean, it's not messed up or anything, but broke this bracket right here. Here's the old one. So that's where the mirror mounted. The mirror hit the ground and snapped that off. So I bought a new one of these. You can go to the Honda parts website, punch in your bike. This stuff isn't very expensive. I mean, it's kind of expensive for what it is. And so I just threw the new one on. It's got the mirror mount. 2 8mm bolts. I'm going to tighten those up right now. All right, here's the mirror. Here's the rubber boots. They were like $220 a piece. I got 2 of those. You put them on first on here and then run your nut on. All right, there's the rubber boot. You put it on first, then run your nut on. Left-handed threads. So for this, it's lefty-tighty. Run it down to where you need it. And then you'll use 2 wrenches or crescent wrench, whatever you need, and tighten these up where you want them, and then you can move your mirrors around. Then you slide your rubber boot down over to cover it up. Tightened up the nut and pulled the rubber boot down over, covers up the chrome. And it's mounted, and then you can adjust your mirror however you'd like. Now I'm going to put the other side on. So I sit on the bike so I can kind of see where I want the mirror at, and then you can tighten it up while you hold on to it, and then slide your rubber boot down over. So yeah, the other reason I bought the bike, I like that it was already outfitted. It has an aftermarket skid plate. Has an aftermarket LED headlight, handlebars, USB charger here, and then just a little license plate fender eliminator that has the light on it. This is a motorcycle, registered as a motorcycle, street legal with the turn signals and everything, which is nice. I don't really plan on riding it off-road, but you can. Here's the parts list if you want to find any of those items. Also got a $300 to $400 Thor helmet that matches in color. I don't like the blue. I was actually wanting like a 21 where it still was just white and red. I hate that they put the blue on there, but whatever. Neutral.